Welcome back to day 15 of my road from Zero to Tokyo. I was rusty, I missed a day, so today was about getting back into rhythm. But we also realized that being able to say things isn't very useful if you don't understand the reply. So we start working on that. Let's get to it. Konnichiwa. This is, I think, day 15 now. Unfortunately, I missed a day yesterday, so I'm maybe a little rustier than I would have otherwise been. I don't really remember where we left off, so what would you recommend us doing in our 15 minutes today?
No worries about a missed day. Let's get back on track. I'd suggest we do a quick refresher on a few key phrases you use often, like asking for directions or making requests, just to shake off any rust. Then we'll add one or two useful new verbs or patterns. By the end, you'll feel right back in rhythm. Let's dive in.
Okay, let's go.
All right, to kick things off, let's recall a key one. If you wanted to say, "Excuse me, where is the station?" Go ahead and give it a try in Japanese.
Iki wa doko desu ka?
Perfect, you've got that locked in. Now let's build on it. If you wanted to say, "Please speak slowly," what would you say?
Yukkuri hanashite kudasai.
Exactly right. You're warming up well. With that flow back, we'll introduce one new verb. How about to show? The polite form is misemasu. We'll sneak it into a phrase soon.
Okay, misemasu.
Spot on. You've got that pattern down. Now, if I said, "Please show me this," how would you turn that into a polite request using misemasu?
Kore wa misemasu kudasai?
Very close. The word order is just a bit off. It would be kore o misete kudasai, meaning please show me this. You're right there, and this is how we refine it.
I forgot about the te form for when you, for like you, sorry, I guess it's the imperative. Would you call it the imperative? But I forgot about the te form.
You're right that we use the te form for requests, but it's not quite the imperative. The imperative in Japanese is a bit stronger, almost commanding. The te form with kudasai softens it into a polite, "Please do this." So yes, it's all about making the request polite, and you're getting that structure.
Okay, let's keep going.
Absolutely. Let's keep sharpening your reflexes. I'll give you quick prompts, and you turn them into polite requests or statements. Ready? I will go. Let's hear that in polite form.
Trying to remember this. I remember go was similar to say. Say was iu, so go was iku. So I will go, I guess, is just like ikumasu would be I can go. So I guess it's just iku.
You've got the right verb root, but remember the polite form is ikimasu. So I will go, or simply I go, is ikimasu. Bikemasu is the can form, as you said. Ear close, just that little vowel shift.
Ikimasu. Okay.
Exactly, you've got it now. That's how we refine it, just one vowel sound difference. You're on the right track, and it's getting smoother each set.
Okay, what's next?
Let's add another practical scenario. Imagine you're in a shop and you want to say, "How much is this?" Go ahead and give that a try.
Kore wa ikura desu ka?
Perfectly said. That's a super useful phrase, and you've nailed it. We'll keep stacking these scenarios so you're ready for anything. Let's keep up this momentum.
Okay.
Great, you're back in the groove now. If we keep this up, you'll find that even missing a day doesn't set you back much. Just keep practicing in these small practical steps.
Okay, let's keep going.
You got it. Let's do one more quick challenge. If you wanted to say, "I can speak English," how would you put that together politely?
Eigo hanasemasu.
Spot on. That's exactly how you'd say it. You've got the polite potential form down. With this pace, you're going to be ready for all sorts of conversations.
Okay, we still have 9 minutes left. So, what can we do in 9 more minutes?
Let's use that time to roleplay a bit. I'll act as someone in a shop or giving directions. You respond naturally using what we've practiced. That way, we stretch those conversational muscles and build confidence for real situations. Ready to dive in?
Yes.
Fantastic. I'll set the scene. Imagine I'm a shopkeeper and you ask to see something. Then I'll give you a price. You can respond naturally to that. Let's begin. "Excuse me, what would you like to see?"
Kore wa nan desu ka?
That's perfect. You turned it into a natural, polite question. We can keep these role plays going, adding more everyday twists until you feel even more comfortable. Let's keep it fun and practical.
How would you recommend getting used to hearing the responses? Because I guess being able to ask a question is only useful if I can do something with the responses.
You're absolutely right. Start small. Listen to short, simple dialogues or audio clips at a beginner level. Focus on catching keywords or phrases. Then, build up by repeating what you hear. Over time, patterns will stand out and you'll respond faster. It's all about training your ear step by step, just like we train your speaking.
Okay, is that something that we can train as well? Or are you saying that I should only rely on this for training speaking?
We can absolutely train it here too. We can run listening drills where I give you short spoken phrases and you interpret them. We'll keep it at your level and build up. That way, speaking and listening both improve together.
That sounds great. Why don't we use the last 6 minutes of today's lesson with me practicing listening? So if you give me phrases that we've learned in Japanese, I can try to tell you what it means in English.
Perfect, let's do it. I'll say a phrase we've practiced and you give me the English meaning. First one, ゆっくり話してください. What does that mean?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Exactly. That was spot on. Let's do another. これはいくらですか? What does that mean?
How much is this?
You've got it. Nailed again. We'll keep at it regularly, and soon these will feel second nature. Great job.
Keep going with new phrases until I say stop.
You've got it. Here's another. 英語は話せますか? What does that mean?
Do you speak English?
Exactly. You're catching on quickly. Let's continue. もう一度言ってください. What does that mean?
Can you repeat that or say it one time, please?
That's exactly right. You've got the meaning. Let's do one more. 私はハリーです. What does that mean?
My name is Harry.
Perfect. You've got all of these down nicely. This kind of practice will build up your ear step by step, and you're doing great. Whenever you're ready to stop or move on, just let me know.
We still have 3.5 minutes, so do you think it's worth continuing this or something else to wrap up?
Let's keep at it. A few more will only help. Each repetition strengthens recognition. If you feel done before time's up, we can shift gears, but otherwise, let's make the most of these last minutes.
Okay, give me the next phrase.
All right, here we go. すみません. ちょっといいですか? What does that mean?
Excuse me, may I have a moment, please? Oh, no, please. Just excuse me, may I have a moment?
Exactly, you've got the nuance. That was great. You're picking them up smoothly, and this kind of listening will really sharpen your skills.
Okay, I guess give me 3 more.
You got it. Here's the next one. トイレはどこですか? What does that mean?
Where is the toilet?
Perfect again. You're on a roll. Let's keep it going. お会計お願いします. What does that mean?
The bill, please. Although I don't really use onogaishimasu, but I guess I will recognize it. So that's good.
Exactly. Understanding it when you hear it is key, even if you don't use it every time. All right, one more coming up. わかりません. What does that mean?
I do not understand.
Exactly right. You've done a great job recognizing all of these. That's a strong finish. Keep practicing this, and your listening will get sharper by the day.
Sounds good. I guess we'll have to make listening a more we'll have to include listening as part of our routine, at least until we have more and more dialogues, because as we do more dialogues, I guess I'll be listening to you as you reply to me in Japanese. And then maybe at some of the times, maybe I should take the role of, the shop clerk or the person giving directions or something, so I can hear my own phrases back. I'm not sure. I'll take your lead on that.
I like your thinking. We can absolutely switch roles sometimes, letting you play the native speaker side and hearing what you said echoed back. It's all about mixing it up, so you get both listening and speaking in real scenarios. We'll definitely keep it dynamic and practical.
Sounds good. And we're done for the day. Mata ne. And domo arigato.
またね。いつでも頑張ろうね。今日はお疲れ様。また次回楽しみにしてるよ。
Did not understand most of the end there, but I think I heard gambare in the middle there, which I think is like good luck, based on hearing a Trevor Noah joke once where he talked about saying something like "good luck, dolphin." But anyway, I might ask about that later. But I feel it was nice to pick up some verbs there, so that was good. Anyway, Okay, cool. Thanks so much again for watching, everybody. Hopefully we remember to keep practicing listening from now on. That's our big takeaway from today. So until tomorrow, mata ne.